Hello, in front of me I've got ROBOROCK Qrevo Curv. In this video I'll show you how often you should wash washable filter. Washable filter is located right here at the top of the robot cleaner. You should clean it every 2 weeks and replace every 6 to 12 months according to producer. In order to clean it, remove the filter and rinse the filter repeatedly and tap it to remove as much dirt as possible. Allow at least 24 hours for the filter to dry thoroughly before reinstalling. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.